What a gas! Uh-oh.
Professor's chili sure is rumbly in my tumbly.
My, the sheets are unusually toasty. Oh.